Hello, and welcome to the course Mobile App Entrepreneur Practical Lessons. In this course, you will learn about the basics of all the areas associated with mobile app development, right from idea conceptualization to production release of the app, and perform post production activities. This course is divided into three stages: pre production, production, and post production. You might have seen courses focusing on only one topic where you have no clue of the things to take care before and after the topic you just learned. Hence, I have come up with this comprehensive course where I would touch base on all the areas of the mobile app development which are very much essential in becoming successful as a mobile app entrepreneur. Having said that, you will be learning various different topics in this course. Now, let's talk a little bit about pre-production activities. During your idea generation, you might be wondering whether my app idea can really become successful or not. In those cases, how do I test my business idea? You have an answer for this in this course. And whether I should outsource my work to a different company or not, whether my app should become available only for the iOS users or for both like iOS and Android, or even for the Windows users as well. You have an answer for all of this, and the decision you take will have a rationale for that. Sometimes you might be confused with what is fixed pricing, what is milestone pricing, and could not able to make a decision on the pricing model if you are outsourcing your work to a third party, or you might be in a dilemma whether or not I should get into a non-disclosure agreement, which is often called NDA. This course will provide all the necessary basic information required in order to make those decisions. Now let's talk about the production activities. Whether your app development work has been outsourced or insourced. As an owner of the app, it is important to know what all the different methods involved in software development, how the requirements are defined, what is quality assurance, and why it is important. This course will give you all this information so that you can make an informed decision. When a team is involved in the mobile app development, as an owner of the app, what all the miscellaneous things need to be taken care of and why they are important. There are certain activities like domain registration, payment gateway account creation, app store account creation. These needs a lot of preparatory work. This course will talk about all of these so that you can best use of your time for this purpose, which will make you much more comfortable during the actual production release of the app. Now, let's see what all things involved in post-production activities. I mean, once the app is released into production. These days, you might have noticed that people spend a lot of time on the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, etc. It is very necessary to leverage these platforms to reach out to a large number of audiences. You will learn these basics of the social media marketing on each one of them in this course. Ad campaigns play a very important role in producing the leads for the app downloads. There are various programs which you need to perform like Google and Twitter ad campaigns, App Store and the Play Store optimization for continuous improvement of app downloads, etc. We'll learn the importance of these in this course to make informed decisions. Last but not the least, you can market the app in various ways, and video marketing is one of the important marketing tools. You will learn about various different types of videos you can create and what all the different channels you can use in order to promote your app. Also, it is very important to track the performance of the app by using the analytic tools. This course will throw a light on what all the pros and cons of each tool, and those analytic tools are available in what platforms, etc. Alright, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Because as an appreneur, I don't want you to commit the same mistakes which I committed when I was developing my app. So I hope to see you inside the course. Thank you.